In today's video, we are going to show you how to translate a web page in Mozilla Firefox. Let's begin. Now, first, open Mozilla Firefox and go to web page you want to translate. If Firefox detects that the page is in another language, you will see a translate icon in the address bar at the top screen. If you click translate, the Firefox will instantly translate the entire web page. Now, another option that you can do is go to the top right corner where you can see the three horizontal lines and click the translate the page. Or if you want to revert back to the original language, I want you to click the show original. And of course, refresh Firefox. And then if you want to revert it back, just click the language icon on the address bar and click translate. It's super simple. And basically that's it for today's video on how to translate a page in Mozilla Firefox. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.